Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations x square minus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus xy is equal to 2. Let's call it as equation number 1 and call it as equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we can write x square minus y square is equal to 1. Here we can apply this algebra rule. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Apply this rule here, we can write x plus y times x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call it as equation number 3. Now from equation number 2 we can write x square plus xy is equal to 2, or taking common x from left side we can write x times x plus y is equal to 2. Let's call it as equation number 4. Now if we divided equation number 3 by equation number 4, we will have x plus y times x minus y over x times x plus y is equal to 1 over 2, or this x plus y cancel out this x plus y, so it will be remaining x minus y over x is equal to 1 over 2. Or now applying cross multiplication, we can write this 2 times x is equal to 2x minus this 2 times y is equal to 2y is equal to 1 times x is equal to x. Or now taking this x to left side and taking this twice y to right side, we can write twice x minus x is equal to twice y. This minus this is equal to x is equal to twice y. Now let's it as equation number 5. Now substituting the value of x in equation 1, we can write the equation 1 is x square minus y square is equal to 1. X square minus y square is equal to 1. Now substituting the value of x in equation 1, we can write x is equal to 2y, so 2y square minus y square is equal to 1. Or 2y square is equal to 4y square minus y square is equal to 1, or 4y square minus y square is equal to 3y square is equal to 1. Now divided by 3, both sides we can write 3y square over 3 is equal to 1 over 3. This 3 cancel out this 3, so y square is equal to 1 over 3. Now taking square root to both sides, we can write square root of y square is equal to square root of 1 over 3. This square cancel out this square root, so the value of y is equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 3. Now from equation 5 we can write x is equal to twice y. Now substituting the value of y is equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 3, so we can write x is equal to 2 times plus or minus 1 over square root of 3. So the value of x is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2 over square root of 3. So the value of x and y is equal to, when x is equal to 1 over square root of 3, then y is equal to 2 over square root of 3, and when x is equal to negative 1 over square root of 3, then y is equal to negative 2 over square root of 3. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.